Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M3 versus the Tesla Model 3 performance. Let's dive into their core performance metrics. The BMW M3 boasts a robust gasoline engine, providing a thrilling driving experience with its traditional power delivery. Conversely, the Tesla Model 3 performance offers immediate electric torque, ensuring breathtaking acceleration from a standstill. Both cars are incredibly quick, reaching 60 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds. When it comes to driving dynamics, the BMW M3 delivers a raw, connected feel, making every turn an event. Its finely tuned chassis and responsive steering offer a truly engaging experience. The Model 3 performance, however, provides a remarkably smooth and quiet ride, enhanced by its advanced autopilot features. While both are fast, the M3 often appeals more to those seeking a traditional, auditory sports car thrill. It's a different kind of excitement.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, are you tired of soggy lunches? Make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're driving an M3 or a Model 3. Find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Moving to practicality and technology, the BMW M3 presents a premium interior, crafted with exquisite materials and a driver-focused layout. It blends luxury with sportiness seamlessly. The Tesla Model 3 performance, on the other hand, embraces a minimalist design, with most controls integrated into its expansive central touchscreen. Tesla's extensive supercharger network also offers a significant advantage for long-distance electric journeys, making travel quite convenient. Considering cost and ownership, the BMW M3 generally comes with a higher initial purchase price. However, the Tesla Model 3 performance often boasts lower running costs due to electricity being cheaper than gasoline and fewer moving parts requiring maintenance. Both vehicles hold their value well, but factors like market trends and vehicle condition significantly influence their resale prices. It's a balance between upfront investment and long-term savings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.